Bitcoin's next bull run will look very different from the last one. In 2017, the X took the elevator to $20K before following the stairs down to $3K over the course of 12 months. In 2020, as Bitcoin prepares for its halving followed by another potential price run, the cryptocurrency landscape looks very different. Here's what has improved since 2017. Also read, TradeBlock estimates post-halving mining cost of $1 per 8 core fiat gateways in 2017, getting funds into crypto called for routing them via dubious banks, paying dearly for the privilege, and often waiting days for the transaction to clear. In 2020, most exchanges have inbuilt fiat gateways, with new fiat currency options being added on a weekly basis. This week alone, Binance has added another 15 fiat currency pairs after payment processing partner Simplex expanded its fiat on-ramp. Similar ones in place at Bitcoin, common on exchanges like KuCoin and Bitham, enable investors to purchase crypto using credit or debit card at low cost. As a result, when the retail FOMO begins, enhanced on-ramps will channel more fiat, more efficiently than was the case in 2017. Better customer service. Only of the biggest bugbears during 2017's bull run was the time it took to get verified on exchanges. Users were left waiting weeks for the go-ahead to start trading, as overworked compliance teams battled to clear the backlog. Some, like Bittrex, simply closed their books altogether and refused to accept new registrations. If you ran into technical problems, meanwhile, such as withdrawal issues, you could forget about receiving customer support. When Circle took over Poloniex in the wake of Bitcoin mania, its first task was clearing the backlog of support tickets that had stacked up. In 2020, exchange support still has room to improve, but it is far more robust than what passed for customer service 3 years ago. Technical improvements have also kicked in, enabling kick verification to be completed in minutes rather than days. Better liquidity means stronger support for Bitcoin at key price points. Not only do deeper order books reduce spread and minimize slippage, but they make it harder for whales to single-handedly move the market. That is not to say that whale shenanigans have been entirely eliminated today, but it is certainly harder to pull the kind of stunts that were commonplace 3 years ago. Better liquidity isn't just about volume either, it also applies to the number of trading venues where BX and other cryptocurrencies can be acquired at market price. More options. When Bitcoin embarked on its giddy run in 2017, there weren't many derivatives options for shorting outside of BitMEX, and nothing at all for institutional investors. CM and CUS futures products launched at the peak of the bubble, and were too late to have any meaningful impact on the market. Today, these institutional options are. You can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.